Larry Poons, one of my instructors I had at the Art Students League in New York. I think the greatest thing he showed me, taught me, was to work on several pieces at once. So let's breeze through the studio. You will see several pieces at once here, that's for sure. This is a piece I've revived back from the early 90s I worked on. This is a 60 by 90 inch on archival paper with mixed media, oil bars, oil pastels, matte mediums that act like a waxy varnish. This baby's almost done. I gotta get it done. I can't go to another decade. And this piece is done. I think I finished this last winter. And it could be a tad overwork, but I like it. I learned from each piece. That's why working on several pieces at once are really good. Just do them, get them out of the way, and go on to the next piece. But I need to get on to more pieces real soon because I'm a little bogged down in these old pieces, but I hate to leave work unfinished. I always have to finish my work. I'm a big believer in finishing your projects or destroy them, get rid of them. And so it's happening. I like this piece. This is a 53 by 69 inch mixed media on a great Fabriano archival paper. And as I go over the surface, you can see all the nice texturing, and I will give a more in-depth video on how I wrapped up these three pieces that I did started in the early 90s, because they're significant. And I go over here to my cardboard cuts, and these are kind of feeding new ideas and new projects, so they're not where they need to be yet, but they're going to get there. And then these are some of my warm-up pieces which you've seen previously. And then the old work table right here with a lot of stuff out. Here's future cut cardboard pieces that need to be glazed with shellac because it hardens them up, makes them a little more archival. And from there I can start painting on them because it just holds the paint much better than raw cardboard. And here you see piles of pieces that I've been shellacking, and they have a nice hard finish, hard surface that will hold paint nicely, and they'll also glue down nicely. So there you go, and thank you for all your support, and stay tuned for some new stuff to come out.